Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card pre-order add-on. Now this spectacular add-on benefits the store customers to place an order in advance for products which are yet to be released or having low or zero inventory there. In today's video tutorial, what I'll be doing is I'll be taking you through the workflow at the customer's end. I'll be showing you how the customers can view the pre-order product and can purchase a pre-order product. In case of the pre-order type as partial price, now the pre-order type can be of zero price, full price or partial price. Now in the case of zero price, you don't need to pay anything in advance, but when the product comes back into stock, at that time you have to make the payment there for the product. In the case of full price, you'll have to pay the full price of the product before the product comes back into stock, and in the case of partial price, you have to pay a partial price in percentage before the product comes back into stock. So after the product comes back into stock, thereafter you have to complete your particular order and pay the rest of the amount that is left there. Apart from that, I'll also be showing you how the admin would be able to set up the pre-order on a particular product and the initial configuration settings that are required for the particular add-on, that's the CS Card pre-order add-on itself. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the storefront on one of the products, that's the Acer battery lithium ion 9 cell product. The list price is $30, but it's right now available at $21.85 there, and you can see that the pre-order price for this particular product in percentage is right now, this is the type, what we say as, this is in case of the pre-order type as partial payment, wherein we have set the pre-order product price in percentage as 10%. So 10% of $21.85 is $2.19. So the pre-order price we have set here for this pre-order product is $2.19. And here under the availability, you can see that it's right now as a pre-order product, and the customers can pre-order this particular product as per their own requirement there. So let's add this particular product into the cart and let's make a checkout thereafter. So let me tap here on the pre-order button, and it's been added to the cart. Now let's check out, or let's view the cart itself. So if I go to my cart and tap here on the view cart option, let the cart come up. Here you can see that the availability is pre-order for this product. The actual price is $21.85 there, and the unit price right now for the pre-order is $2.19 that needs to be paid, and the product price paid for this one is $2.19, and the total costing here is $2.19 as well. Now let's make a checkout thereafter. So I'll just tap here on the checkout option. I'm not logged into my account, so let me log into the account there. We are on the checkout there. Let's choose the shipping for this particular pre-order product that we're going to pre-order. And here on the right hand side under the order summary, you can see that the shipping is the free shipping. The products in the cart is this particular product, it's a pre-order product, and the actual price is $21.85, and the order total right now that needs to be paid is for $2.19. So here I'll go with the other payment methods for the time being, and I'll be choosing cash on delivery, and I'll tap here on the submit my order button thereafter. So the order has been placed, as you can see right now, and let's view the order details here by tapping on the order details button. So here's the order number 291 that we have just placed, and if I scroll down here, you can see that the total that has been paid is for $2.19 itself. So now here you can see, if I go above here under the product information, you can see that this is a pre-order product, and the remaining product price that needs to be paid is $19.66, and the price that we had paid is for $2.19 there. So the remaining amount that needs to be paid is $19.66 there. So now whenever the product comes back into stock, here on the order summary page itself, the customer will find one pay button there. I'll show you that in a while from now, but before that, let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you how the admin would be able to set up the pre-order on a particular product. So let's open the particular product, that's the Acer battery that we were checking out right now. So you can apply the pre-order on any of the products as well as per your own requirement there. Now the very first thing that you need to do is you need to go to the general section, and under the general section you have to navigate to the pricing and inventory, and there you have to set the in stock value as 0 to make it out of stock. And then what you need to do is you need to then navigate to add-ons tab, and here you have to scroll down to the pre-order section. Under the pre-order section you'll be able to enable the pre-order for this particular product by enabling the product by choosing the yes option. Then you have the pre-order type. You can choose the pre-order type as zero price, full price, or partial price. Now in the case of zero price, the pre-order type will allow to pay the price when the product will be in stock. In the case of partial price, will allow to pay the partial price when the product is out of stock, and the remaining price when product will be back in stock. And in case of full price, the pre-order type will allow to pay the price when the product is out of stock. All right. So you can choose any of these pre-order types, whether zero price, full price, or partial price as per your own requirement there. Then we have the pre-order starting date and the ending date. So here you can choose the starting date for the pre-order of the product for the pre-order. Then you can choose the end date of the product for the pre-order. Then you can set up the maximum pre-order quantity, that's the total number of pre-order allowed for the particular product. Then you can choose per user product. So here you need to enter the maximum quantity of pre-order product allowed for a single user. Then we have the pre-order product price. So here you have to enter the price or the percentage of the product price to be paid when the product is out of stock. So it's in the case of partial price. If I go with the zero price, you can see that particular section has been removed. If I choose full price, it's not there. But in the case of partial price, we can set the pre-order product price in percentage there. That is needed to be paid when the product is out of stock. So after making these configuration settings, you just need to tap here on the save button, and the particular pre-order would be applied to the respective product there. Now let me refresh this page and let me put this particular product back into stock. So I'll go to the general section here, and I'll set the in stock value here as 123, and I'll save the particular product thereafter. And now let's go back to the order section here that we were checking at the customers end. So now the product, for example, has is in stock. The customer will receive an email intimation for the same that the product is back in stock. And here you can see that now we have the remaining price to be paid is $19.66. Now let me refresh the page once, and we'll see now a pay order option for the same order. This is the same order for $19.66. And now we can make the rest of the payment using our preferred payment method as per our own requirement, whether using the credit cards or using the other payment methods. So for now I'll be using the cash on delivery, and I'll tap here on the pay order button thereafter. So you can see that the order has been paid successfully. Now let's check the order details here for the particular order itself, for the order 291. Now if I scroll down here, you can see that under the product information, the pre-order is being shown as completed. The product price paid is being shown as $21.85, and the complete order number is 291, and the total price of the product shown here is 21.85. And here you can see that the payment method chosen by the customer was cash on delivery, and the subtotal paid is 21.85 in complete there. So this was the workflow at the customer's end, how they can place a pre-ordered or how they can place an order for a pre-order product for which there's the partial payment or the pre-order product, what we say as the type has been selected as partial payment. The same goes with the rest of the pre-order types, that's the zero price and the full price as well. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let me show you the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. So for that, what you need to do is you need to navigate to add-ons and manage add-ons, and here you'll have to search for pre-order. So let me search for pre-order. And this CS Card pre-order is a useful add-on that places orders in advance for products which are yet to be released or have low inventory. So we'll tap here on the gear icon and tap on the manage option thereafter. Now here we have two tabs, one is the general one and one is the payment restriction. Now under the payment restriction, you will be able to select the payment methods which will be restricted at the time of checkout for pre-order products. So whichever you have selected here from the available payment methods, those payment methods would not be available for the customers to choose at the time of checkout for making the payment for the pre-order products there. So for example, if I check PayPal would not be available at the checkout for making the payment for the order that contains the pre-order product itself. Now under the general settings, we have the global settings here and some configuration settings as well. So let's go through each of these one by one. So the very first option that we have here is the pre-order type. Now the pre-order type can be partial price, zero price or full price, as we have already discussed. This is the global setting that can be set for all of the products there. Then we have the per user product. Here we have to enter the maximum quantity of pre-order product allowed for a single user itself. Then we have the maximum pre-order quantity. So here you'll be able to set the total number of pre-orders allowed for a particular product. Then we have the number of days when pre-order will start. So here you will have to select the days when pre-order will start after product will be out of stock. You can keep it 0 to start pre-orders immediately. Then we have the select total number of days to keep product in pre-order stock. So here you will have to select the total days for product to be in pre-order state. This option will allow the customers to pre-order any product within allowed days only. You can keep this particular value as 0 to pre-order selected product. Then we have the pre-order product price. So here you can enter the price in percentage of the product price to be paid when the product is out of stock, and this is applicable if you have chosen the pre-order type as partial price. In case of zero price, you can see that this particular option is not there. Only in case of partial price, the pre-order product price is visible, and here you have to enter the percentage of the product price to be paid when the product is out of stock there. Then after that, we have the configuration settings, wherein we can set the pre-order out of stock product option as yes or no. So here you can select yes to automatically convert a product into pre-order product if it goes out of stock. So here you can set the pre-order out of stock product settings as well. Then you have the choose status. Here you have to choose the order status for the pre-order products from the drop down as per your own requirement there. Then we have the deduct shipping. So here you can choose before or after option for the deduct shipping. So choose before to add the shipping rate at the time of pre-order, and choose after to add the shipping rate when the product will be in stock once again. Then we have the convert out of stock product to pre-order. So here we have this option button. If you tap this particular button, then it will convert all of the out of stock products to pre-order automatically by tapping on the convert all button. So this was the configuration for the global settings and the configuration settings at the backend for the pre-order. And then we have the payment restrictions. We have already gone through the payment restrictions there. Thereafter, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. That's the CS Cart pre-order plugin there. So that was much about the CS Cart pre-order plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how it benefits the store customers to place an order in advance for products which are yet to be released or having low or zero inventory there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.